So I've been getting a lot of comments about the drill when I drilled the holes into the cement for my concrete anchors. This is the SDS Rotary hammer drill made by Dewalt. It's online for like $330, and I wanted to explain to some of you where I've been getting questions about the difference in drill bits. So an SDS chuck allows you to use their own standard bit, and this one is a SDS Plus, so it fits into the chuck like this. Now it's in and I'm ready to drill. Now they have a SDX chuck that's bigger than this, so when you go to buy one, just make sure you buy the right one. So these right here are concrete / brick and masonry bits, and you can tell by the head. So all these in my hands are masonry bits. You can use them to drill through concrete. Here is a chisel, which also has a SDS chuck on it, where you can attach it to your SDS rotary hammer. And this is used to break up brick a lot of the times, and it has a chisel function. For the last bit, this is your regular wood bit that you can use to drill holes, and this has a regular impact driver attachment. So in order to use that on this SDS rotary hammer, you have to use an attachment, and this attachment is made by Bosch, and as you see, it has the SDS Plus chuck, which attaches to the rotary hammer. And to attach it, you just put it in the chuck like that, tighten it up, make sure it's tight in there, twist it until you feel the clip, and make sure that it's in the drill function if you're going through wood. Just through there like butter. And when you're trying to drill through brick, cement, or something really hard, one of those hard materials, you take it from drill and put it to hammer and drill. Gives you a nice flow. This is easy. And for the last function on the SDS rotary hammer drill, we have chisel. And you only use this mainly when you're just demoing. A lot of people use it for tile. You can also use it for bricks. So here's this function. You got to demo a bunch of bricks. That is what you would use. So those are the three functions for the SDS Dewalt rotary hammer drill. You got chisel, hammer and drill, and then you got regular drill.